How to make a hydraulic power unit step-by-step guide. Visuals. A sleek montage of hydraulic systems powering machinery like lifts, presses, and industrial equipment. A clean workshop setup appears showing tools and components for the hydraulic power unit. How to make a hydraulic power unit step-by-step guide. Hydraulic power units are the backbone of many industrial machines, providing the force needed to lift, press, or move heavy loads. Today, we'll show you how to create a hydraulic power unit step-by-step. Building a hydraulic power unit step-by-step tutorial. Close-up shots of the components needed: electric motor, hydraulic pump, reservoir tank, valves, hoses, and fittings. A mechanic organizes tools like wrenches, drills, and measuring tape. How to make a hydraulic power unit step-by-step guide. Before starting, let's gather the essentials. You'll need an electric motor, a hydraulic pump, a reservoir tank, directional control valves, pressure relief valves, hoses, and fittings. Don't forget your tools, including wrenches, drills, and safety gear. Cut to a whiteboard or graphic diagram showing how the components connect. How to make a hydraulic power unit step-by-step guide. Here's a basic diagram of how the components will fit together. The electric motor drives the pump, which draws hydraulic fluid from the reservoir and pushes it to the desired application through control valves.